What's up guys, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to hard reset on Redmi 15C. That is a brand new one from Redmi company and the price is unbelievable. It just costs only $90. Alright, so let's go to see how to do this. This is called Redmi 15C. I got a blue one right here, so beautiful. Alright, let's go to see how to hard reset. As you can see, the phone is locked with the passcode. Okay, we do this because we forgot our passcode. So firstly, we need to power off the phone by holding the volume up and the power together. Okay, up and power at the same time. Okay, and then slide up to power off. Right, slide up and wait for the process of powering off completely. Okay, all right. After that, we have to hold the volume up again and the power again at the same time. Okay, up and power, just hold it. Okay, after you can see the Mi logo, you can release the power and keep holding the volume up until you can see the recovery mode. Okay, right here is called recovery mode. So what we are going to do next is to choose the option called wipe data. Okay, right here, wipe data. Just use the volume down, okay, to navigate the option, and then you can press the power to confirm. Okay, and after that, the volume down again to choose the last option, that is called wipe all data, and then press the power to confirm. And one more time, down again and power to confirm. It is working on erasing data from the phone right now. Okay. Just wait for 2 seconds. I think that the process of formatting the data is take some time, I think. All right, so that's it. After that, we have to press the power, okay, in order back to the menu, and then just press the power to reboot the phone. And one more time, power again to reboot the phone. And we have to wait for about 5 minutes when the phone reboot to the menu. Okay, so that's it for how to hard reset on Redmi 15C. And everybody, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell for the future video. And I'm gonna make another video that is useful for everyone. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.